Good afternoon. Good afternoon and welcome to the Northeastern University College of Engineering graduation celebration. My name is Tom Sheehan. I'm the Senior Associate Dean for Academic Affairs in the college. And again, I want to welcome all the friends and family of our wonderful 2015 graduates. We're so happy that you are here today and hope that you're certainly staying for tomorrow's graduation as well. At this time, I would like to ask you to silence your cell phones. However, in a mix of a very traditional ceremony with the modern, I encourage you to tweet during this ceremony. #NUCOE if you know how to do that. So I encourage you to do that. And at this time, I'm going to ask the marshals to begin the student procession. Let's hear it for our 2015 Bachelor of Science candidates in engineering. We will now begin the faculty procession. Will the graduates please be seated? I want to welcome all of you again to the College of Engineering graduation celebration, and we're looking forward to a wonderful ceremony here this afternoon. Before we bring our graduates forward to be recognized, I'd like to recognize some of the outstanding accomplishments of our seniors. So I'm going to be naming a couple of our seniors and asking them to stand for recognition concerning some awards that they've received prior to this ceremony. The first award is the Hodgkinson Award. This is one of the university's highest honors for graduating seniors. Colleges nominate their top students on the basis of academic and experiential performances, and selections are made by a faculty committee. The winner from the College of Engineering this year is Neil Shah. Will Neil please stand? Neil is a computer engineering major, and he is also a recipient of the Goldwater Scholarship, which is the most prestigious undergraduate science scholarship in the country, granted annually to top sophomores and juniors who demonstrate outstanding potential for and interest in pursuing a career in research. Congratulations, Neil. The next award is the Compass Award. Each spring, Northeastern's Office of Alumni Relations recognizes 9 outstanding students from the senior class, one from each college, who during their time on campus have demonstrated a true commitment to leadership, volunteerism, academic integrity, and commitment to Northeastern. The winner from the College of Engineering this year is Ashley Tokars from Industrial Engineering. The Robert Shillman Award for Engineering Excellence was established by alumnus and Cognex Corporation founder Robert J. Shillman to celebrate extraordinary academic achievements in the fields of engineering and computer science. It is presented to rising seniors with the highest cumulative GPA. The 2004 winner who's graduating this year is Colin Ida from Industrial Engineering. Maybe Colin shouldn't sit down, because the President's Award recipient also goes to Colin, and this award is given to the top 10 students by GPA in the entire university in the graduating classes of 2015, 2016, and 2017. Congratulations again, Colin. The Sears B. Condit Awards are given to the 100 graduating seniors with the highest GPA. I'd ask you to hold your applause until all of the winners are standing. The first is Saad Al-Kridas from Industrial Engineering, Badr Al-Tawil from Industrial Engineering, Kayla Aruda from Civil Engineering, Christopher Kalika from Chemical Engineering, Robert Dye from Civil Engineering, Matthew Gamach from Mechanical Engineering, Colin Ida from Industrial Engineering, Connor Minkowski from Civil Engineering, Justin Reeder from Mechanical Engineering, Nicholas Ruppelt from Mechanical Engineering, Tushar Swamy from Electrical Engineering, Taylor Tobin from Mechanical Engineering, Andrea Whalen from Civil Engineering, and Janet Young from Civil Engineering. Those are your Sears Condit Award winners. The Huntington 100 Awards are given by Northeastern Student Affairs Office. Nominated students have impressive experience that is commensurate with the university's missions, ideals, values, and academic plan. Again, please hold your applause until all the winners are standing. The first one is Vitaly Ablayev from Electrical Engineering, Alexander Colville from Chemical Engineering, Neil Shah from Computer Engineering, Josiah Strauser from Chemical Engineering, Ashley Tokars from Industrial Engineering, Anne-Marie Giuliano from Industrial Engineering, Ryan Ulrich from Industrial Engineering, and Emily Wisniewski from Chemical Engineering, and Victoria Zuner from Chemical Engineering. Congratulations to the Huntington 100 recipients. The University Outstanding Co-op Awards are given to 16 seniors who are recognized university-wide for their exceptional co-op and academic performance throughout their time at Northeastern. This year's winners from the College of Engineering are Joshua Merritt from Mechanical Engineering and Julia Moulton, also from Mechanical Engineering. Congratulations. The College of Engineering also has a set of co-op awards for outstanding seniors recognized for their co-op work experiences and their achievements in academic studies. The following are the winners of the COE Co-op Awards: James Barbarian from Chemical Engineering, Jared Conti from Chemical Engineering, Zachary Fox from Electrical and Computer Engineering, Patrick McLaughlin from Civil Engineering, Nelia Mestelman from Civil Engineering, Jessica Morris from Mechanical Engineering, Nick Ruppelt from Mechanical Engineering, Emily Schaefer from Computer Engineering, Taylor Tobin from Mechanical Engineering, Ashley Tokars from Industrial Engineering, and Victoria Zuner from Chemical Engineering. University honors are bestowed on those graduates who have maintained a 3.5 GPA and have completed 6 required honors courses. There are 75 of you who I am not going to name individually. But what I would ask you to do is stand and be recognized for this distinction. So please stand if you are graduating with university honors, please. I would also like to recognize those that have been inducted into our College of Engineering Honor Societies, and I will read off the societies that have inducted members and ask those members to stand. For all of engineering, Tau Beta Pi. For chemical engineering, Omega Chi Epsilon. For civil engineering, Chi Epsilon. For electrical and computer engineering, Eta Kappa Nu. For mechanical engineering, Pi Tau Sigma, and for industrial engineering, Alpha Pi Mu. Please stand if you've been inducted into one of those societies, please. Congratulations. The departments also give a number of awards to seniors, and I will go through a set of awards by department. In the Department of Chemical Engineering, the Calvin S. Cronin Award is given annually to a senior for excellence in written communication. This year, that award was given to Alexander Colville. The Omega Chi Epsilon Student of the Year Award is selected by students of the graduating class and recognizes overall accomplishment and outstanding achievement by a graduating senior in the field of chemical engineering. This year's winner is Dui Lei. The American Institute of Chemists also gives an outstanding senior award within the department. It's selected by the faculty, presented annually to a graduating senior who has demonstrated an outstanding record of achievement, ability, and leadership, as well as character. And again, this award was given to Dui Lei. Congratulations. The Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering gives the Civil and Environmental Engineering Department Award. This is given to students who have demonstrated excellent academic performance, coupled with outstanding leadership and commitment to the civil engineering program. This year's winners are Emily Anderson, Kayla Aruda, Nelia Mestelman, and Maria Proul. Please stand and be recognized. The Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering gives the Horowitz Memorial Award to seniors in recognition of the highest academic achievement and general excellence. This year's winner is Tushar Swami. I would note that Tushar is also a recipient of the Goldwater Scholarship, the most prestigious undergraduate science scholarship in the country. So congratulations on that recognition as well. Also in that department, the Porter Award recognizes students who have given back to the Northeastern University community. This year, the awards committee couldn't make up their mind. There were so many good students, so they selected 3 seniors to receive the Porter Award: Neil Shah, Carrie Ann O'Brien, and Portia Stevens. Congratulations. Finally, the Department of Mechanical and Industrial Engineering presents the Lillian Gilbreth Award. It's awarded to a senior industrial engineering graduate on the basis of demonstrated academic excellence, service to the Northeastern community, and service to the community at large. And the winner of this year's award is Leanna Talarico. Congratulations. And now I would like to introduce the Dean of the College of Engineering, Dr. Nadine Aubrey, University Distinguished Professor. She has been the Dean of our college since 2012. Dean Aubrey is widely known in the field of fluid dynamics, and as an engineering educator, she is a member of the National Academy of Engineering and serves on a number of advisory boards and review panels in the US and internationally. Please help me welcome Dean Aubrey.
Thank you. Good afternoon and welcome. First, I would like to thank all our faculty and staff of the College of Engineering and introduce our department chairs. Tom Webster, Chair of Chemical Engineering. Tom. Jerry Hajar, Chair of Civil and Environmental Engineering. Han-Shen Wang, Chair of Mechanical and Industrial Engineering. And Sheila Hemami, Chair of Electrical and Computer Engineering. Today, it is my distinct honor and privilege to congratulate 518 engineering graduates for the bachelor's degree in engineering, as well as you parents, family members, and friends for all your support throughout the years. I would now like to ask all parents, family members, and friends to stand. Graduates, please look at your loved ones and join me in giving them a round of applause. Thank you. For you graduates, as well as for your parents, family members, and friends, it has been a long journey. The path was a difficult one, full of obstacles and challenges. The curriculum in all of our engineering disciplines here at Northeastern is demanding and difficult. We have set high standards, with each student expected to not only master rigorous fundamental engineering principles, but also be able to apply such principles to solve, design, create, and innovate through real-world problems, co-op experiences, and impressive capstone design projects. The class of 2015 has truly been an amazingly successful group of students beyond all of our expectations. In addition to working on incredible co-op jobs, you have invented novel devices, started new businesses, traveled the world, reached out to help the community here in Boston and in other countries, played sports and musical instruments, started and led student organizations, entered and won national and international student competitions, held lecture series, conducted state-of-the-art research, and published groundbreaking journal and conference papers. Really, truly, truly amazing. We all know that such achievements in and outside the classroom take much more than just skills. They all require hard work, motivation, commitment, and persistence. Graduates, you have worked very hard. You have reached what you may have thought at some point to be impossible. We are now here to celebrate your accomplishments. You made it. But now a new journey is beginning. The power is in your hands. You belong to an elite group, as today engineers make less than 5% of all graduates in this country. You have the knowledge and skills to make an impact in the world we live in. You have the ability to solve real-world problems that engineers of the past have not been able to solve. You have the ability to address important societal engineering issues in ways that nobody has thought about before, whether those relate to the sustainability of the world we live in, access to better health around the globe, or improved security for all. You have the ability to make a difference on Earth. You are young with the future of this country, the future of the world in your hands. It is now time for you to act, accomplish, succeed, and achieve your dreams. Start now. Work hard and stay highly motivated as you were throughout your journey here at Northeastern. Continue focusing on real-world problems the way you were trained here at Northeastern to make the largest possible impact. Remain flexible and open-minded. Learn whatever it takes to get the job done. Be responsive, resourceful, and creative. Don't be afraid to take risks, such as starting a novel product, open your own business, or move to another part of the world. Spend time abroad, and be prepared to work with people from all over the world. And set and achieve high goals while overcoming the many difficulties in your way and never compromising high moral values. I have no doubt you will soon be the leaders and entrepreneurs of today and tomorrow's world. On behalf of the faculty, staff, and alumni of the College of Engineering at Northeastern University, I would like to sincerely congratulate you and wish you the very best for an outstanding and impactful future. We're extremely proud of you, and like with our own children, one day leaving the family home, and I'm a parent myself, we hope you will keep in touch. Tell us your wonderful stories and help us continue to deliver a superior and relevant education to the next generation of Northeastern engineering students. Congratulations to all. Let's give our graduates a well-deserved round of applause. Please rise. Please sit down. I would like now to invite Senior Associate Dean Tom Sheehan to come back to the podium to present the graduating class of 2015.
Thank you, Dean Aubrey. At this time, we're going to be bringing you forward by major to be recognized and receive gifts here on the stage. Before I start this, I have two things to say. One is for the audience, the students are arranged in a non-sequential manner, is probably the best way I can put it. This was done to make sure you're paying attention as the students come up, so I will just warn you in advance. The other thing I would like to do is apologize to the students, all the families, and your ancestors for my pronunciation of the names. That is, I will do my best, but I warn you ahead of time. With that, I would like to invite all candidates for the degree of Bachelor of Science in Chemical Engineering to rise. Your marshal will lead you to the stage to be recognized. I also invite the chair of the department, Professor Thomas Webster, and the faculty greeting representatives for the department, Professors Catherine Ziemer and Lucas Dante Shepard Landhere, to come forward to greet the graduates. Chris Oliveira, Devin McAvoy, Leah Calise, Emily Fissler, Lexi Hamsmith, Jordan Rubio, Alyssa Mezzoso, Haley Hicks, Joseph DePeter, Caleb Chase, Andrew Schultz, Julia Baker, John Vitale, Jared Conte, Sway Le, Melissa Buttermer, Miranda Lawrence, Deanna Wong, Lori Bach, Emily Wisniewski. John Jameson. Jacqueline Boyven. Noshelle Martinez. Megan Harless. Gloria Singleton. Margaret Doust. Jia Seng Lin. Trevor Polidore. Christopher Lamb. Victoria Zuner. Samantha Romano. Ana Francesca Del Rosario. Abdulrahman Al-Mullah. Jacob Fagan. Matthew Pontrelli. Bowen Huo. Mitchell Brunn. Christopher Kalika. Jennifer Rosa. Adam Shorey. Daniel Alstead. Hannah Doss. Rosalie Philpott. Josiah Strauser. Reem Nasser. Matthew Casista. James Lawler. Vincent Kuming. Joseph Bonneau. Anthony Sylvie. Ian Powell. Alexander Colville. Christopher Kennedy. Gregory Krawicki. Irene LeBaron. Laura May. James Berberian. Timur Kourgej. Abdullah Althamari. Ryan Carty. Daniel Riley. Brian Malloy. William Chauvin. Juliana White. Claudia Nwane Ankwanko. Yeah, exactly. And those are your candidates for the degree of Bachelor of Science in Chemical Engineering. Please be seated. I invite all candidates for the Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering to please rise. Your marshal will lead you to the stage to be recognized, and I invite the chair of the department, Professor Jerome Hajar, and the faculty greeting representatives for the department to come forward. Professors Matthew Eckelman and Professor Robert Rayburn Tillman to come forward to greet the graduates. Hamad El-Rumi. Ayad El Farid. Bushari El Sadhan. Miguel Anjo Poblacion Vargas. Richard Tereshuk. Jeffrey Lee. Owen Schreier. Lauren Nicholson. Leo Cody. Robert Pataro. Marissa DiCarlo. Catherine Doherty. Danielle Di Domizio. Kelsey Munns. Kenichi Chakwago. Jackson McDonald. Brian Ford. Brian Sampson. Matthew Shellberg. Stephen Babinski. Allison Goldberg. Christopher Weber. Emily Anderson. Anahid Dasgeb Baheshti. Drew Vagnini. Patrick McLaughlin. Tyler Matt. Samuel Fazioli. Nathan Crevier. Rebecca Hansen. Andrea Walchak. Scott LaBelle. Peter Dido. Lena Juzelskis. Anik Florat. Preston Bayer. Zulfikar Mamuljan. Nicholas Mazzella. Lucas Troop. Matthew Sperling. Melissa Ellis. Kevin Burgo. Amanda Devereaux. Connor Mankoski. Patrick Mardula. Ryan Carr. Mary Penny. Kayla Aruda. Anna Murphy. Maria Poole. Christopher Seuss. Gregory Sassaman. Benjamin Harmon. Michael Tucker. Christy Bell. Tamara Saleh. Dima Mujahed. Iker Guerra Ibarra. Lucas de Faria. Edwin Mejia. Michael Hurtado. Amy Black. Avery Meyer. Janet Yun. Erica Duran. Zhu Shi. Katharina Clark. Andrea Whalen. Delia Mestelman. Farid Matar Laban. Ranjie Zhang. Huang Haran Wu. Antonio Fong Kian. Jia Hao Hu. Dong Chen. Hao Chen. Jin Jia. Sean Kersey. And Edward Dowd. And those are your candidates for the degree of Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. Please be seated. I invite all candidates for the degree of the Bachelor of Science in Electrical and/or Computer Engineering to please rise. Your marshal will lead you to the stage to be recognized. I also invite the chair of the department, Professor Sheila Hamami, and the faculty greeting representatives, Professors David Cayley and Professor Masoud Salehi, to come forward to greet the graduates. Stuart King. Daniel Abel. Robert Shore. Raymond White. Michael Nwane. Shatiz Lohani. Qian Vu. Jesus Chung Pan. David Akores. Robert Kim. Neil Shah. Tushar Swami. Wei Teng Zhang. Christopher McLeod. Faisal Almadani. Gregory Rizek. Leah Garber. Peter Clark. Nicholas Ivory. Timothy Gullen. Joshua Martin. Joshua Roberts. Zachary Barrett. Christian McNulty. Daniel Song. Ayumu Oda. Daniel Thompson. Kang Vo. Thomas M. Zachary Berry. Kevin Dixon. Sanjiwa Sugatapala. Kevin Huang. Noah Goldstein. Vitaly Ablayev. Baran Najar. Amadou Mbaye. Joshua Kern. Mahmoud Balaid. Abdullah Abba Al-Khail. Hamad Al-Shahab. Rodasheroline Lamage. Garrett Good. Peter Wares. Daniel Chapman. Emily Schaefer. James Gordon. Zachary Fox. Patrick Willett. David Winarski. Christopher Horner. Daniel Thompson. Ming Chang He. Benjamin Berkowitz. Portia Stevens. Carrie Ann O'Brien. Ryan Burke. Daniel Osborne. Michael Kozicki. Thomas Houlihan. Christopher Pitsley. Daniel Nordness. Anandpreet Singh. Yuji Zhang. Zhang Chu. Let's congratulate our Bachelor of Science graduates in Electrical and Computer Engineering. I invite all the candidates for the degree of Bachelor of Science in Industrial Engineering to please rise and come to the stage to be recognized. I also invite the Chair of Mechanical and Industrial Engineering, Professor Han-Chen Wang, and the faculty greeting representatives of the department to come forward, Professor Andrew Goldstone and Professor Emmanuel Melachronotis. No. Oh, no. That's not on you. Alexander Cohen. Jonathan Siri. Nicholas Cookshell. Adam Fry. Brendan O'Connor. Samuel Glenday. Badr El Tawil. Ali El Namla. Muhammad El Ajmi. Majed Ali Al Subahin. Saad Al Kridas. Faisal Al Sheikh. Saud Al Kafra. Mohammed El Ajaji. Sultan bin Iberian. Miriam El Sayeh. Ahmed Zahid. Abdurrahman Al Ghanayam. Mohammed Elias Ben Sendrine. Sultan Al Shanafi. Yazid Baj Sair. Matthew Connor. Carson Lange. Sarah Ackley. Andrew Raffo. Giovanni Carrara. Flavia Calvar-Ripoll. Daniela Moreno-Marino. Maureen Cabrera. Kaylee Coolidge. Tiffany Medeiros. Robert Brooks. Jameson Peterson. Leanna Tellerico. Ryan Ulrich. Catherine LaFaso. Ashley Tokars. Anne-Marie Giuliano. Jillian Hines. Holland Ida. Clayton Wiggins. Annie Sineski. Rebecca Abel. Lena G. Robert Wahlberg. Kimberly Forsberg. Jeffrey Goldcamp. Akash Gaklani Tarani. Marcela Aguero Rivera. Daniel Altgelt Pete. Nicole Santoni. Michaela Moteda Mazzola. Isaac Lazoff. Humberto de la Garza Sanchez. Ramon Faz Morales. A round of applause for our Industrial Engineering Bachelor of Science candidates. I invite all our Bachelor of Science of Mechanical Engineering candidates to please rise and come forward. Our same battle-hardened faculty will remain here. From Mechanical Engineering, Professors Huang, Goldstone, and Meller-Krunutis. Matthew Brady. Connor Shuck. Timothy Przybylowicz. I'm sorry, Timothy. I knew it was going to be one. There's just no vowels to work with that. Daniel Lang. Dylan Lucas. Evan Pascalis. Jeffrey Toth. Gad Barron. Ryan Miller. Matthew Nickerson. Matthew Manter. Gregory Estra. Nicholas LaMonica. Ashar Hafiz. Daniel Minahan Jr. Sean Mulcahy. Jonathan Layden. Andrew Waite. Jacob Cohen. Anthony Majorano. Carly Gajewski. David Neudorfer. Jessica Morris. Alexa Hunko. Hajar Masadi. Paula Santos Chevet. Taylor Tobin. Thepson Julian. Ben Carpenter. James Ryan. Jack Sattel. Eric Evge. Kotaro Taniguchi. Colin Henderson. Victoria Ribel. Peter McNulty. Benjamin Russell. Matthew LaPointe. Edward Scarcella. Donald Onding. Ho Young Chang. Andrew Bolognese. Jason Groff. John O'Shaughnessy. Guido Bassiani. Matthew Gamache. Makuya Bashin. Jonathan Mall. David Rapp. Eric Anderson. Murphy Rutledge. Ryan Wasserman. Benjamin Weaver. Julia Moulton. Adam Leach. Lyda Salloway. Nikita Shah. Margaret Burton. Christopher Parfit. Joseph Danello. Andrew Ryan. Christopher Way. Gregory Borowski. Dylan Keene. Brandon Caswer. Alan Weiner. Wilson Mefford. Matthew Beatty. Duncan Freak. Jacob Freak. Andrew Dolan. Adam Afzali. Joseph Zemo. Robert DeSanti. Scott Meckler. Nathan Streeter. Sakura Dalar. Zalika Walcott. Wilson Liao. Brandon Suleski. Alexander Lassard. Paul Skibo. Nathan Zane. Ross Arians. Victoria Osman. Abdu Abusari. Mariam Al-Dakil. Muhammad Al-Bassam. Muhammad Kamali. Amar Alwadi. Abdullah Al-Musa. Richard Somers. Christian Hansel. Robert Anderson. Adriana Molero Quartin. Celia Corrente. Kirsten Roche. Ashley Som. Ryan Kirkpatrick. Trevor Ryan. Justin Reiter. Ian Wilsey. Evan Quinn. Joshua Merritt. John Kirk. Evan Ordway. Alexander Dakin. Donald Wright. Efthimios Sirlis. Avraham Weishagrad. Andrew Kobanar. Laura Pagani. Maureen McCaffrey. Christopher Hines. Louis Casano III. Bryce Wassa. Benjamin Como. Christopher Fisher. Taylor Bensell. Nicole Lawrence. Lorraine Ruiz. Emily Rulin. Zachary Shapiro. Sebastian Fellensen. Connor Mackinson. Yoshikimi Hisano. Andrew Fennell. Evan Wenshak. Kevin Lay. Abdelrahman Alodan. Oliver Gorst. Dustin Schwartz. Thomas Niedrak. Christopher Gately. Nicholas Roberts. Clinton Williams. Andres Arambel. Curtis Morneau. John Hendy. Nicholas Ruppelt. Noelani Carlson. Gaewon Chan. Akshat Goyal. Ryan Chan. Tyler Grace. Michael Sardanini. Thomas Clancy. Youssef Magadwa. Stephen Raymond. Michael Toner. Timothy Sanborn. Daniel Walsh. Maria Alfaraj. Alkesh Thavrani. Raul Nunez. Daniel Alessi Scheinman. Nicholas Behrens. And last but not least, Scott Stewart. And a round of applause for our Bachelor of Science and Mechanical Engineering candidates. Please be seated. And one more round of applause for all of our Bachelor of Science candidates today. Congratulations to all of you. Now I would like to invite Dean Aubrey back to the podium to make some final remarks for the ceremony.
So this concludes our College of Engineering commencement ceremony. So I look forward to seeing you at our university-wide celebration, Commencement Fest in Centennial Commons, which is in front of Wagon Station. But before we close, I'd like to make sure that you come tomorrow morning at the university-wide commencement event where you are going to receive your diploma. So make sure you are there. I'm sure that you want those. But let us congratulate our graduates one more time and give them another round of applause. Thank you all for coming. So please wait until the stage process.
Something about yourself. You're wonderful, flawless, ooh, you a sexy lady. But you walk around here like you wanna be someone else. Ooh, wow. I know that you don't know it, but you're fine, so fine, fine, so fine. Ooh, wow. Oh, girl, I'm gonna show you when you're mine. Treasure.